Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Thelma and today I have for you a new Temu haul. It's crafting and a little bit of journaling supplies. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, first I want to show you this paper cutter. I got the one in pink. This was under $2. They had other colors too, white, blue, green, but they have a bunch of them that you can choose from on there. And then there's these stickers. I got this one of the fairy. I accidentally got two of them. And then there's this one. And I didn't know these decals were this big. But I'll have to come up with a different plan on what I'm going to use them for. I was going to use them as covers to journals, but they're too big. But they're so cute. Look at them. And then there's that one. And here's some washi tape. It comes in this big box here. I think there's like 12 in them. All right, let me pull out some and show you. I got the vintage kind. There's that. And then you can see right here all the other colors in there. But it's just your regular washi tape, and this was under $3. I got this mermaid tails little bags, and it's got the ties right there. And there's 12 of them in here. And that was like $1.11. And then there's these stickers. I already got into these, that's why they're in this baggie here. But they're Valentine stickers. And I used them for my Valentine books that I'm getting ready to list on Etsy, in my Etsy shop, which is Thelma's Crafty Shop. So, but I'll make a video and list it and put it up on YouTube for y'all to know when the journals can become available to buy. But here's some of the stickers. I like this one, the envelope. And I'll just show you a couple more out of here. There's this heart one here. They got all different shapes and designs, but there's them. And I didn't know about Temu for a long time, and then I seen it on YouTube and I got into it. It's a real good place to go. You can't beat the prices. And then I got these papers. That's what they're called, craft papers. And these are just different. I can't. Here it is. I was trying to find where you can open it up because I'm wanting to show you some if there's different pictures on them. There's this Victorian woman. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of different ones. Let me just... Then there's this one. There's a bunch of them. There's over 12 here. And they're pretty big, about 8 by 8. I'll put that back in there later. And then there's these. You get the big stationery paper. And I got into these too. You get about 10 pages each. 10 of the papers and the envelopes. And then there's these other little papers here. And then there's these envelopes. And they come in different designs on them. Let me see if all these are the same though. And this is what this one looks like. And then there's these stationery papers, little notepads and envelopes. And some more papers. I'm going to use these in my journaling. And then there's, there's two of them here. There's these. They're where you can fold them in your journal or leave them flat. And then there's these. I'm thinking these are different pictures on each one. Let me open it up and see for you. But I hope everybody's been doing good. I'm doing better than I was. Thank y'all for the ones that have been asking. Yes, they're, as you can see, they're different. So, and then there's these with the phone. Let me figure out which end here. And here's the back page. You could tell already that they're different prints on each one. Yeah, there's this one, hearts, them. I'm going to go back through in the journals that I have already made and getting ready to list. I'm going to add some of these because I didn't know this was a Valentine one. It's all hearts or something to do with Valentine's Day. And then there's this one. Look how beautiful those roses are. Oh, I picked up two again. Let me open this one up. And again, I'll just show you a couple pages. There's stripes. There's the roses, and then there's more flowers. And then there's this one, real light colors. Let me know if you all are into journaling, and if you sell your journals, let me know where I can find them at, so I can, or if you make videos with your journals, I'll watch them. And then there's these stickers. These are fairies. I bought 2 packs of these. And these are like 12 different pages of different fairies. And then there's these here are all different kinds of mushrooms. And here's on the back to save some time. And then we have these fairy forest little different stickers. I'm not going to open them all. We'd be here forever. And then there's that. And then there's these fairies. These are beautiful. The glitter on them. And they're butterflies on the, here's the back. It shows you everything that's in it. And then there's these. And then there's these stickers. I already got in these and put them in the journals that I told you about earlier. But they're just different heart stickers. A big roll of them. Here's some of those washies out of that box. Because I already dipped into it before making this. And then here's another row of washi tape. Here's some more fairy forest. And some more cards. More butterflies. This is the green. The other one I think was pink. And then here's some more cards. Victorian. More stickers. More here's some more stickers. More fairy forest. These are the red butterflies and fairies, I meant. Here's some flowers. More flowers and fairies. And here's some. You can't beat the prices for these and how many you get. Look how much is in this one. And it was like $2.11. And then there's these. Here's one of those corner punchers. It turns a flat piece into a curved one for your corners. You just stick the paper in and just snap it. And then here's some more stationery papers. Some butterfly envelopes and cards. This shows everything on the back that you get. Almost done. And here's some forest. And these are like writing journals. Some music sheets. Some postcards and journals. Writing notes, I meant. Here's some forest spirit. And some more. Here's some more stickers. Running out of room to put them. Some more forest spirit and pink. And these are some little, I can't get it open, little labels. Almost got it open. It's like that. All they are is little, page marks, but they're so you can use them in your journal or your notebook, and they're just hearts and stuff. They're just real rough, edgy. And then here's some more butterfly and forest stickers and some Valentines. More stickers. And here is the last two things. There's this magical illusions. Here's what's on the back is what's all in it. And then there's this one, all these stickers. Alright, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my Temu haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel grow. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and select all so you won't miss any of my future uploads. And just by watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, leave me a comment. Let me know you entered into my 2 contests. I'll know to put your name down so you'll be entered into them. You can check out the 2 small videos on my YouTube channel. Each video shows everything that's in the giveaways and it tells you how to enter them. But if you have any comments, any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.